Good morning, students. Today topic is measuring area and perimeter of rectangle. In the previous lesson, we learned what is area and what is perimeter. We revised the definition of area and perimeter. Area, the amount of surface a shape covers is called its area. कोई शेप जितनी सरफेस को कवर करती है वो एरिया है. एरिया इज़ मेजर्ड इन स्क्वायर यूनिट. एरिया को हमेशा स्क्वायर यूनिट में मेजर किया जाता है. व्हाट इज़ पैरामीटर? द पैरामीटर इज़ द लेंथ ऑफ द आउटलाइन ऑफ अ शेप. किसी शेप की आउटलाइन की लेंथ जो है वो पैरामीटर है. दीज आर द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एरिया एंड पैरामीटर. टुडे टॉपिक इज़ मेजरिंग एरिया एंड पैरामीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. फर्स्ट वी लर्न द फार्मूलाज, how to find the area of rectangle and how to find the perimeter of rectangle. We use these two formulas for find the area and perimeter of rectangle. Area of rectangle equals to length multiply breadth and perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 times length plus breadth. By using these two formulas we find area and perimeter of rectangle. In the next step we learned what is rectangle. This shape is called rectangle. This shape rectangle has 4 sides. Opposite sides are equal in length. Opposite sides are equal in length. This side is the length of rectangle and this side is the breadth of rectangle. Open your book, page 88. A rectangle is 13 centimeter long and 3 centimeter wide. What is its area and perimeter? इस क्वेश्चन में लेंथ गिवन है. लेंथ इज़ 13 सेंटीमीटर और ब्रेथ गिवन है. ब्रेथ इज़ 3 सेंटीमीटर. हमने एरिया और पैरामीटर को फाइंड करना है बाय यूजिंग द फॉर्मूलाज. Page 88, question number 3. A rectangle is 13 centimeter long and 3 centimeter wide. What is its area and perimeter? What is its area and perimeter? Solution. Length is given. Length equals to 13 centimeter and breadth equals to 3 centimeter. We find area and perimeter. By using the formula of area of rectangle, we find the area. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. Length is 13 centimeter. Breadth is 3 centimeter. 13 into 3 equals to 39 centimeter square. This is the formula. This is the answer of area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equals to 39 centimeter square. Now we find the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 times length plus breadth. 2 times length is 13 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter. 2 times 13 plus 3 equals to 16. 16 into 2 equals to 32 centimeter. By using the formula of area of rectangle, we find area. Area is 39 centimeter square and perimeter of rectangle is 32 centimeter. Next question. Question number 4. Nazim has a beautiful lawn in his garden. Its area is 72 meter and its length is 12 meter. What is its breadth? In this question, area is given 72 meter and length is given 12 meter. We find the breadth. This area is of garden. नाजिम हैज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल लॉन इन हिज गार्डन. उसके गार्डन में एक ब्यूटीफुल लॉन है जिसका एरिया 72 मीटर है और उसकी लेंथ 12 मीटर है और हमने ब्रीथ फाइंड करनी है. क्वेश्चन 4. नाजिम हैज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल लॉन in his garden. Its area is 72 meter and its length is 12 meter. What is its breadth? Solution. Area is given. Area equals to 72 meter. Length equals to 12 meter. We find breadth. By using the formula of area of rectangle, we find the breadth. Area of lawn equal to length into breadth. Length is 72 meter. Length is 12 meter. Breadth is not given. We find the breadth. And area is 72 meter. इसमें एरिया गिवन है और लेंथ गिवन है, हमने ब्रेथ फाइंड करनी है. In the next step, breadth equals to 72 divided by 12. 72 divided by 12, 12 and the 12, 12 6 the 72, we get answer 6 meter. Breadth is 6 meter. By using the formula of area, we find the breadth, that is 6 meter. Homework is do question number 3 to question number 5, page 88, chapter number 88 on note copy.